Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man and it's time to make some soap. So today I'm going to be doing something I haven't done in quite a while. I'm going to be doing some layered soaps. And since this is going to be layers, I'm going to have to wait in between for them to set up. It's going to be a bit of a long video, so I'm going to skip some of this. What I'm going to do is go ahead and shut us down in just a minute, get everything mixed up, separated into my 4 containers, then I'll bring you back as I color it and scent it so we can see what's going on. I am fragrancing this with Brambleberry's Applejack peel. This does present some pretty semi-moderate acceleration, although it's workable. If you stay at 90 or below, it is workable. In this instance, with the layers, it's going to work to my benefit because it's going to help them set up quicker. So let me shut us down, get everything mixed up, and I will bring us back in just a minute. Okay, so we're back and ready to do our first layer. So my first layer is going to be black activated charcoal. And I usually like to do a mica line in between, but my preferred mica line is Nurture Soap's Shimmer Gold, and I am just about out. The last time I placed an order with Nurture Soap, I forgot to order it, so I'm going to have to get some more. So I'm just going to do without the mica line. And I'm not going to texture it. The hope is to pour it nice and smooth and give it time to set up so I have a nice, smooth, clean layer. So I'm going for neat and clean with this one. So let's get our activated charcoal mixed in. Give it a hit with the stick blender. And I'm using full water this time, so it's probably going to take a little bit longer, but I did want to take a chance with that fragrance. So I'm going to put about a quarter of it in. In the mold quickly while it's nice and fluid. And there's our first layer. So I will be back with the next one. Okay, so our next layer is going to be orange, and I'm using a mixture of Mad Mica's Tangerine Dream. I haven't used this before, and I'm wanting maybe just a little more bold, so I'm going to put a pinch of Brambleberry's Tangerine Wow, which is a really potent one. So put about a level teaspoon of Tangerine Dream. Go ahead and stir it in and see what it looks like. I haven't used this one before. It looks pretty nice. So let's give maybe just like an 1/8 of a teaspoon of this Tangerine Wow, because this stuff is potent. Yeah, maybe just a tad more. There we go, that's what I was looking for. Yeah, that looks nice. Okay. Grab a clean stick blender head. We'll get our fragrance in. I want to stick blend it a little bit first because that Tangerine Wow is not a mica. It's a powder, and it does clump just a little bit. pour our fragrance in. And you know, I forgot to check the black layer to see if it is set up. Oh, it has. Okay. Oh, almost had a catastrophe. I'm going to pour it on a spatula because I probably should have waited longer. Very nice. Very nice. Scrape this out. Okay, good. All right, I'll be back in a minute when that sets up. Okay, our orange is ready and can support it. So our next layer is Nurture Soap's Green Vibrance. And while this is a very nice green, as do a lot of greens, it turns kind of an icky, brownish, not very nice green, but it always turns back after saponification completes. So let's hand stir this in. And our batter's doing well. Hit it with the stick blender to finish mixing it and help start the setting up process. Put about a quarter of our fragrance. This poured. I think that orange can support it, but I'm going to play it safe. Beautiful, and I'll be back for the final layer. Okay, I think our green is ready, so let's work on our purple. So it's going to be a mixture of Nurture Soap's Purple Vibrance, which is always a favorite of mine. And I'm going to give it just a little bit of Mad Micah's Grape Ape, which is a really nice neon color. Since this has been sitting the longest, it is starting to thicken a little on me, although it's holding it pretty well. So I'm going to be a little more cautious with the stick blender, and I don't have to wait for this one to set up. I can be patient with this one since it's the last layer. So let's get that stirred in first. Get our grape ape mixed in. That didn't really make much of a difference, but that is okay. So let's give this a quick buzz, especially to make sure that the neon powder is mixed in well. I think on this one I'm just going to hand stir the fragrance in because it's just a little on the thick side. Alright, let's pour that one. Yeah, that green's pretty funky looking right now, but it'll be a really pretty green tomorrow. So here we go with our purple. Shoot, I just poked it. Well, we're going to have a funky center there because I just poked the top of the container into the soap. Oh boy, did I mess that up right there. Anyway, nothing I can do about it. I thought about doing something with the top, and I thought, you know what? In this one, I'm just going clean, straight layers. So we're going to just have a clean top. So folks, that's what I have. I'm going to let this sit up, spray it with some alcohol, and wrap it up and put it to bed, and I'll see you tomorrow for the cut, and we'll see what I did right there, how I messed it up. See you tomorrow. Okay, we're back to cut our soap and got our usual results that I'm always happy with, mirror-like sides. The pours seemed to go extremely well, except at the end when I was cleaning the pouring spout and poured this pouring spout right down the center of the soap. So we'll see what happens there, but I don't know what happened here, and I'm hoping that's perhaps just on the edge, so let's just dive right in and find out. It is what it is at this point, can't change anything. I do like this color combination. I love the smell of this fragrance oil. It smells fantastic. Here we go. You know, there's where I poured the pouring spout in, but other than that, no, it looks pretty good. That should only affect 1, possibly 2 bars. No, got nice, really clean lines. Oops, it's upside down, but no, that's exactly what I expected. So that is just on the edge. I'm happy to see. Yeah, exactly what I wanted. Mica line would have been nice, but I didn't have what I needed. Very nice. Nice and clean. don't know what happened there. It's in the other bar too. I don't even see the pouring spout incident in this log. And since the other log's going to look the same, since we're just in layers, I'll cut it off camera. But yeah, I'm really happy with this. Even that looked like it was supposed to happen because it's all even through. That would have looked nice all the way through the bar. But overall, this is really exactly what I was planning. So I'm really pleased with this. And once again, love that fragrance from Brambleberries. So I may do this next week and pour some swirls instead, but we'll see. So folks, that's what I have this week. Stay safe, take good care of yourselves, and I'll see you next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.